rockfall incident that occurred on May 30th, where one person lost his life while driving a dumper truck over here on the deadly National Highway 29, that is Dimapur to Kohima Road. Now, this has caused quite a stir in the last 2 years, where approximately 9 people have died and lost their lives on this highway due to rock slides, rockfall, landslide, mudslides. Even last year, approximately, according to reports, 6 people lost their lives at Pirima when a huge landslide occurred. And 2 persons in 2023 also lost their lives, 2 local persons, while traveling from Kohima to Dimapur, where a huge boulder came down and crashed on their car, killing 2 instantly and injuring many others. Now, the 30th incident has prompted the officials of the PWD National Highway Department over here, along with NHIDCL officials, district administration, and even the Geology and Mining Department is also here. Many advices have been given to the NHIDCL as well, while they're discussing on what other measures can be done to ensure that safety is the topmost priority of the public and the travelers on this highway. Now, one big question also arises is if this highway is closed down, especially when what we saw in 2023 when the rockfall, the huge major incident that occurred and killed 2 persons, this highway was closed down due to safety concerns, and the Newland Zadima Road and as well as the Peren Road to Kohima and beyond, they were still under construction and they were very narrow, especially for heavy vehicles, but it was closed down, and a lot of people were also panic buying for commodities as well due to the highway being shut. Now, this is a very huge concern, and we're also hearing that the Peren Road, which goes from Jaluki to Kohima and Maram, the NH3 129A highway is also under some controversy, land dispute controversy, where maintenance work has stopped again. Now, these are unconfirmed reports, but we have heard from sources of such. So this is the main lifeline, National Highway 29, for all public, for all trucks and commodity trucks to ply from Assam to Dimapur, Kohima and beyond as well. Now, we're going to talk to a few of them later on after the inspection is done. Let's have a look.
For a few years, this was stable, but again things will trigger because again we may anticipate the next 1-2 years. This area, once it comes, is very deadly. Yeah, this will slip down like this. Because in the middle there here. Yeah. So this one you have to take care.
This is under the scope of HACCP.
Sir, we have been putting some anchor bolts to bind the parents better from that side of how you can see.
Anchor, no? But
Not this way. This way also we have.
yeah. But why don't you make it a little big? Well, because this is very small. Because,
32 mm die and 6 meter inside.
and plus, see,
likely by August. Rating.
and see, there is one pattern of joint parallel. You see, this is a very prominent joint that comes out. Okay, so this is where the rockfall comes. So this one you have to take care of. But that's why we have to not only look for a very conventional approach. We have to go for more extraordinary, more scientific. In certain sections we have to think of even rock dam. Dam in the rock, so that when the rock comes, we should be able to block it. And certain areas we should also think of even roofing, slab roofing.
Yes.
Those approaches were to come. Otherwise, every year we cannot keep on walking like this. Okay, so government has lots of money. Why we worry? Why should we worry about this? Because every time you put this thing, it come out, and then it's all the same. Expenditure-wise, it's all the same. So my point is, we have to think of different approaches. Not only this nailing and also.
What was the project DPR is going?
Yeah.
What
So
complete solution?
yeah. So we have to think.
Going to do in the upper part.
Nailing will be.
No, nailing also, if you nail the rope, also that rope is going to fall down.
Sir, with the nails now 6 meter, there are two types of meshes. One is DT mesh of thickness 2.7 mm, which is below, and above there is called a HA panel of 10 mm, which is a thick rope,
No, what is the depth that you're bringing?
6 meters.
6 meter.
Sir, this is a bit projectile outside for nailing up the bolts and the nuts. That's you see na, जितना भी ऊपर portion दिख रहा है, that's for the nailing of plates and nuts.
No, I'm not talking the lower part. I'm talking the upper part. The upper part. What actually you're supposed to do upper part? Scaling करना पड़ेगा. Some you have to do scaling.
Yes, sir. The entire portion you see in this like na, we have to do the scaling in this manner only.
Yeah, but yes, and then scaling here also. Look, this is going to fall.
Sir, before a couple of weeks back na, we also use some material na to take down the bolt ring. There was a nose.
Yeah.
If you see the before photographs na, there was a nose, so we scaled it properly and cut the nose in a proper manner. So now it's a proper flat. So
In the past, this is also very deadly area because this will trigger again. It's about there's a cycle, no?
Sir.
Cycle में होता है. So because this was also very prone area because we've been seeing this for the last 20 years, no? From university days, we're watching this area all the time. So, okay. So from here to here, you have to take over to this, and that is shell unit. So more or less okay, but this one because of the interlayering thick metal sandstone shell, is possible, and it gets slipped. This is very close to the sea. So, I don't know how your mesh will work. Yeah, they're very friable now.
हो गया ना हाँ जो बटर निकलना है वो निकलना पड़ेगा वो जो ना जो वो नहीं है रोक जगह में मेज पे लिखा वो वैसा नहीं है अभी which is about to come down try to check where you put it no वो बटर नहीं है some administrative portion. Which you know that means. In
the future, yes, because this is called differential ecology, that sandstone and this shell, no?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, this shell is there, but not that as deadly as but if this block come down, but this one,
remove ना
Yes,
तो ऊपर वाला आ जाएगा तो आप लोग उसको रिमूव करो
जो भी लूज आ रहा है
तो हो जाएगा ऊपर में भटू का जगह भी इतना नहीं है ना उसका तो थोड़ा देना है नीचे मारेगा तो ऊपर आ जाएगा
एक साथ में नहीं आता ना क्योंकि पार्ट बाय पार्ट आता है ऊपर वाला कब आएगा इन फ्यूचर में कैविटी बन जाएगा ना उसके लिए
नहीं तो
आ रहा है
ट्रैवलर भी जींस में आता है ना वो आएगा ना नहीं आएगा ना ऐसा लगता है तो हम लोग का भी ऐसा होता है
नेचुरली इरोशन हो रहा है ना तो धीरे धीरे फॉर्म क्रिएट कर रहा है अब जैसे एक्सकवेटर बकेट मारेंगे तो ये फीचर्स क्रिएट करेगा उसके लिए यहाँ पे ऐसा टच नहीं कर रहे हैं कैविटी फिर बनाए क्यों सर अभी ऑलमोस्ट जेंटल स्लोप पे है सर
वो आएगा तो पूरा
वही तो अभी अगर हम खोलेगा कुछ भी काटेगा
काटेगा तो
अंडरस्टैंडिंग वहाँ पे
एकदम कम तो ना अभी
वो पीछे लगा बहुत ज़्यादा पीछे लगा है
इन फ्यूचर में कैविटी आएगा मतलब अभी हम निकाल देगा
मार के देखो ना आप आज मार के ना कल सुबह तो
वो एक दिन
हो
में
गया।
नहीं आया तो फिर हम खोल नहीं पाएगा
internet plus already there. Extra
We are expecting to finish it by this week. How is the progress going on?
Sir, but that NOC was conditional,
Okay.
and now observation was raised from headquarters for land compensation was not allowed accepted there.
Okay.
That was informed to DC officer.
Then regarding the compensation,
then compensation payment करो, damage compensation payment करो, ना करो काम शुरू करने के लिए NOC दिया है। NOC दिया है
इसके
ना?
लिए सर टेंडर प्रोसेस कर रहे हैं हम लोग।
That is not a- that is not a
आफ्टर NOC टेंडर प्रोसेस
justification.
yeah. You can you look at the matter? Try to explain it.
already sent to tender.
Okay. Tender process.
So the inspection has reached to the point where the May 30th incident took place, where one person died in a rock wall incident here, right here. We're here at the site right now on May 30th. And even though we can see that there has been a death just a few days ago, just 3 days ago, the traffic is intense and very much high as well, showing and proving how important this National Highway 29 is for travelers, commuters, trucks as well, how important it is that they are risking their lives traveling on this stretch of road. And it is raining right now as we speak. It is a continuous rain that is happening, and we can see the rocks also that are loose on the hillocks and the hills over here on our right side. Now the Geology and Mining Department official also has told us that a survey should have been properly done by the NHIDCL, especially in terms of what kind of terrain and rocks and soil we have over here. Apparently the NHIDCL did conduct a survey with the GSI, the Geology Survey of India, but did not consult with the state government's Department of Geology and Mining as well. We'll go ahead and see further what's other advices and what report are they going to give out for the next step of safety precautionary measures.
It is a finish scaling here.
Of course, they will put later again after the scaling. But I think you better before you put scaling this net, put the scale करो और उसके बाद
It came down. उसकी तरफ वो स्केलिंग का भी कुछ काम किया था जो रॉक ड्रिलिंग करते हैं ना ड्यूरिंग द रॉक ड्रिलिंग ये दिस फेल डाउन उसके बाद हम लोग वहाँ पे लगा है
they will change your fencing, your netting stuff, no?
हाँ नेटिंग तो रिपेयर करना है डेफिनेटली वो रिपेयर करेगा
My question is,
सर
did it fall down after netting or before
No.
netting?
See, first netting is done.
Yeah.
After that, this nailing was done for the rock barrier on top
Yes,
of that.
yes,
na?
yes, yes.
So during the nailing, it also acts as a part of scaling process. तो वहाँ पे जहाँ पे लूज मिला, it came down. ये वाला. तो इसके बाद नेट वहाँ पे rock barrier लगा ऊपर में. The rock barrier came up afterwards.
No,
Because while we drill ना,
During drilling,
yeah,
came down.
lose जो होता है वो comes down usually.
yeah, but you have to see, no, because
We will remove
viability of the methodology, no, you have to.
To protect from up any uncertainty from the top, na? The rock barrier has to be
No,
done.
no, wait.
And it's a part of the job that we have to drill it
Yeah,
and
of course,
bring
yeah.
down any loose
No,
material.
that's fine, But the point is your net
Uh-huh.
is disturbed, no, that's what your
No,
net could
if
have.
anything, sir, in their contract, if anything is disturbed, they have to recorrect it and make it okay again.
But we have to make use of this road. that is our
Definitely,
point.
sir, we are also expending this much for making use of this road only, sir.
Yeah, this road. Yeah, we have to. I don't know. This is the biggest mesh you have. You don't have other bigger size mesh.
There are two kinds of mats.
Yeah.
One is for the small ones, the DT mesh, the inside one primary mesh that is. Then the top of that we have the HA panels, which are the secondary mesh. There are two layers of protection which has to be there. And placed there, sir.
But can we get bigger than this?
No, the first one is DT mesh of 2.7 mm.
Yeah,
The
वो
other
तो
one
है.
is 10
लेकिन
mm
मेरा
of
question है
300 by 3 mm.
कि whether we can get bigger. Do we have bigger? Because the thing is, rock blocks are big, no? Do we have bigger? Can we get? Do we have bigger mesh than this available in the market?
इससे बड़ा mesh मिलता है कि नहीं?
No.
Because all depends on the tensile strength of the cables basically.
No. That's
The bigger, it doesn't matter if you put a big one thick net also.
no. That's why whatever it is, but I'm talking about a strong one.
Yeah.
That
We
is
are-
sufficient strong and that will channelize the rocks.
It doesn't
If
let the
anything come
trajectory.
down, they will come through a proper channel that will
No.
directly come on the road.
No. But my point is, why did this rock came here? Not okay.
That's why I'm telling you.
That's the
They didn't
question.
come from here. We were doing some drilling works above there. You can see some bolts over there.
Yes.
So
Fine.
during the drilling, it also part of the chiseling, whichever loose boulders are there, it was like a suspended cantilever type. These rocks. So where we were trying to do that rock barrier, we did this loose scaling over there. But before that, we have put the net over here because we were finishing up the jobs, whichever was going up and up.
Fine.
So rock barrier came afterwards. We were drilling after putting up the nets for the rock barrier. At that time, we found such susceptibility that this might come down.
But
so we decided to
this rock came. This rock is below the.
Yes,
rock
yes,
barrier.
yes. There are some few drill bolts
Yeah.
over there.
Yeah.
So you can see over there the drill bolts there, na?
Yeah.
When we tried to do that, we saw that this is an uncertain part of the rock. So we removed that as a part of the scaling job as well.
So you purposefully took out the net also.
No, that was done before only.
No. That's why my point is when you remove the rock, my point is net should be able to hold the rock. That is my
That was
that's my
not there, na,
argument.
sir. You see the point of dislocation there, up there. Net was not there. Net was there up till there only, na, sir.
Okay.
So it came from up of the rock.
So why don't you put net till that better?
Yeah.
Yes.
You have to put. Otherwise,
we
some
are-
loophole and then it's coming and suppose if some vehicles are coming around like this. I mean, this is manually
I
done.
think if you see the structure strata over here,
Yeah.
only that part was vulnerable. We bring it down intentionally only. Apart from that, you can see the structure over there. So there is no unsusceptibility from between the rock barrier and rock netting area. Sir.
No,
You
but
can also see that. Sir.
one day this rock will also come down. So whether
Definitely, it is there
that
to channelize that rock, so it can come down and hold up somewhere around here. It doesn't fall on the road directly.
anyway, we'll see. No, time will tell.
Durability of the net, how long, what's the lasting
It's
period?
long. It's not the design period. It depends on the.
This nearly 50 years.
50 years.
Basically,
Already half of it is all broken and damaged.
which one?
No, it is not broken. It is due to the drilling. We do the drilling now. That's why the
And-
these rocks.
We have to understand the physics of it. It's not that if something has come down and it will be there only. If there are repairs and maintenance has to be going. Everything requires maintenance. It's not the 50 years. Even a human life cannot, well, a human being cannot even live for long 50 years. So if there are any damages, we have to do some correction, material correction,
I mean,
rework.
it's not even been long that, it is required.
Actually, you are not understanding the point. We have first placed it up, okay? Then we started work for that rock barrier, right? So there was some few loose rocks. So we drilled it and brought it down ourselves only. So as to like, okay, in future, like Sir was saying, scaling has to be done and all this stuff. So that was not damaged. We had to bring it down, basically. That's why it is looking like that.
So whatever advice or instructions that the geology department is giving, sir is giving, is it going to be feasible for the NHIDCL to do?
We'll try to incorporate, and most of the things whichever he has said is already there. Yeah, it is already there. And long-term measures, geologist department also know the DPR is going on. According to that, we'll put up the long-term measures. That is yet to finalize.
Sir, till now we're nearing the end of the inspection. We have with the department and other officials, some other department has inspected properly. You have given from your expertise your suggestions. So till now, what have you observed? This long walk that we have taken on National Highway 29. What have you observed?
No, one thing is we're looking at a short term. What we're doing is looking at a short term measure, and long term we have to seriously, because as of now I'm still doubtful whether the next lane can be utilized.
It's very risky, you're saying?
Yeah, that's still very risky. we have to come up with very strong, maybe other method. I don't know whether this will be. We'll have to see. Since they're saying this is strong enough,
Yes.
we have to test during the dry season.
Okay.
Of course, this is geologically very challenging because it's also very soft rock. Though it looks very strong, but it's very soft rock. So and also if you see the top layers are weathered, and the other one that came and killed people also very weathered area, no, this yellowish color, brownish color.
Okay, like that.
Yeah, so
So do you think the NHIDCL should have done a little more extensive research on our terrain, the type of soil and rock?
obviously there is.
They should have done
that is-
before starting the work 5 years ago approximately.
Yeah, because one thing is since we have today we have modern equipments,
Yes.
so we are able to do we do whatever we want. Yeah, but at least our terrain should the sensitivity or instability of our terrain should be respected because this road is very unstable, no? And with the deep cutting again, even with the 2 lane where we were struggling also, but with 4 lane again, the stabilization has taken place. So,
Last question, sir. If these measures are not taken immediately, are lives at risk, and we can hope, we can see more lives being lost if it is not taken immediately, these steps and measures?
one thing
How much
is
time do we have till we actually make sure that no lives are lost?
that
We
will be
can't,
very
it have to be very immediate.
very difficult to say because I don't think we have understood that level, understood the terrain, or say I should say the current measure of mitigation is not. I cannot say I have.
Substandard work, do you think so?
Not necessarily substandard, but it is not a substandard work. It's but whether the measure is appropriate, that is
Okay.
that is the question.
Okay.
Whether it's sufficient. So I personally I still have doubt looking at it, but at least they're putting effort. So let us see. But how long it will sustain, there is another thing.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir. So that was almost the end of the inspection of the NH29 Dimapur to Kohima, where after the death of another person, probably the 9th according to reports in the last 2 years, who passed away in a rockfall incident on National Highway 29 Pagla Pahar stretch. Today, as mentioned, different officials from various departments, including the agency, contracting agency, NHIDCL, inspected this area. The downpour over here has been continuous. We spoke to the geology and mining department official, and he did say if long-term measures are not taken up, then this is going to be very risky. Right now they can only see that short-term measures have been taken, but at the same time long-term assurance and the terrain need to be studied as well, and those measures should be taken as soon as possible. Esther here with camera person Tamjin for Nagaland News Network.